Are you a restoration company losing time and money with outdated weather solutions? Meet the ultimate storm mapping tool that transforms your workflow. Our app provides fast, insightful map overlays to pinpoint high-opportunity areas for roof damage from wind or hail. You can access 4 map types: hail size, probability, hurricane, and wind gusts, with data spanning 2 years and unlimited overlays. Experience detailed storm history with our Storm Finder tool. It helps you target specific areas by filtering results on hail size and wind gusts. Plus, receive storm details instantly. Generate lead-specific forensic reports at the click of a button. Our reports are powered by Verisk, ensuring your data is insurance-ready. Track your leads, view storm maps, and close deals. All on one platform, simplifying your operations. Don't waste resources. Streamline your process today. Sign up now to transform your restoration business.